Hello friends, today I'm going to share healthy oats chilla or oats dosa. This is a healthy, filling, nutritious breakfast recipe. So if you like healthy, tasty and homemade recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Keep on watching. To make a healthy oats dosa, here I am taken 1 cup of oats. Add enough water and soak it for 50 minutes. After 50 minutes, drain the water and transfer it to a mixer jar. To this I am adding 1 cup of gram flour or besan, a small piece of ginger finely chopped, 3/4 teaspoon of Kashmirri chilli powder, 3/4 teaspoon black pepper powder and 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Salt taste, I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt and 1.5 cup of water and blend it well. Now our batter is ready. To this I am adding 3/4 teaspoon of cumin seed, 8 shallots finely chopped, 2 green chillies finely chopped and 1 cup of grated carrot. Mix it well. I am also adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt and again mix it well. Finally, to this I am adding chopped coriander leaves. This will give a great flavor to our dosa. Mix it well. Now our batter is ready. The batter must be in pourable consistency. Now take a cast iron pan, spread some oil. I am using gingerly oil. Heat the pan and pour the batter. Spread it a little. Spread some oil. You can use oil or ghee. Here I am using coconut oil. Cover it with a lid and cook it for 1 minute in low flame. Now our dosa is half cooked. Flip it. Flip it and cook it for some seconds. Our tasty and healthy oats chilla is ready. You can keep the leftover batter in the refrigerator. Our instant and healthy oats besan chilla is ready. This is an easy and healthy breakfast option. You can use it as breakfast, lunch or dinner. You can use any kind of chutney as side dish, but it tastes amazing without any side dish. So guys, do try it out. Let me know your feedbacks. For more healthy recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned, stay healthy.